Number 7 tayo. A truck travels from point M northward for 30 minutes, then eastward for 1 hour, then shifted north 30-degree west. If the constant speed is 40 kph, how far directly from M in kilometer will it be after 2 hours? So A, 43.5, B, 45.2, C, 47.9, or D, 41.6. For solution, i-drawing muna nating mabuti. So meron daw isang truck na bumabiyahe, nag-start siya sa point M. So assuming ito yung point M, going north. So nag-travel siya dyan for 30 minutes. Then nag-travel din siya, after that, nag-turn siya ng eastward. Going east naman siya for 1 hour. Sabihin natin ito ay point A and this is point B. And nag-shift siya ng north 30-degree west. So if this is your north, 30-degree west. So ito, this is 30-degree. And sabi sa tanong, how far directly from M in kilometer will it be after 2 hours? So after ng 2 oras na biyahe, so dito sa hanggang sabihin natin ito is point C. Dahil nag-travel na siya ng 30 minutes and 1 hour, ang natitira na lang is 30 minutes. So yung biyahe niya rito is 30 minutes, yung travel time niya. Okay, ang tanong, how far directly from M? How far mula rito sa M and point C? Ito yung tinatanong. Gaano siya kalayo? So para makuha natin yan, pwede tayong mag-drawing ng triangle. Form tayo ng triangle. Sabihin natin this is point A, B, C, D. This is point D. Makukuha natin yung MC. Ito yun, yung MC. Ito yung hinahanap. Point M to C. Pero kailangan muna nating makuha si MD. Distance ni MD. Tsaka yung distance ni CD. Para makuha natin yon, pansin natin sa drawing si MD. Ayan, si MD equal siya kay, mapapansin ninyo si AB. Ayan, minus, itong sabihin natin, itong intersecting point nila is E. Equal siya kay AB minus EB. Diba? Yan yung MD mo. Ito. MD. Ito namang si CD equal siya kay MA plus itong EC. Ayan. Kunin muna natin yung, so ito lang siya guys, no? Extend, kung i-extend nyo to, ayan, kung i-extend natin to, okay, doon lang galing siya. Kunin muna natin si point M to A. So sabi, 40 kph yung constant speed. So in 30 minutes, si MA mo, MA is equal to 40 kph. 30 minutes is 0.5 hours. So, MA is equal to 20 kilometer. Cancel si R mo. So, ito is 20. Length nito is 20 kilometer. Si AB mo naman, equal siya sa 40 kph times 1 hour. So, equal siya sa 40 kilometer. So, itong length naman na ito, that is 40 kilometers. Kuha na natin si MA. So, check na si MA. Nakuha na rin natin si AB. Paano naman natin makukuha si EB at saka si EC? Pwede natin gamitin itong triangle na to. So, kung idodrawing ko siya, separate natin yung triangle na yon. So, this is E, this is B, and this is C. So, dito ay 30 degree siya. This is 30 degree. Itong natira, 60 degree. So, pwede nating makuha si EB at saka si EC. Kunin muna natin si CB. Your CB is equal to 30 minutes din yung travel time. So, 40 kph times 0.5. So, CB is equal to 20 kilometer. So, itong CB mo is 20 kilometer. So, pwede natin makuha si EB. So, your EB is equal to your CB sine 30 degree. Remember, yung sine natin, take note, no? Sine of an angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, dito, yung hypotenuse natin is yung CB, which is 20 kilometer, and yung opposite is yung EB. Ito siya. So, EB is equal to 20 sine 30 degree. Ito yung EB mo. Your EC is equal to EC. Ito naman si EC mo. Equal siya sa CB cosine 30 degree. Remember, yung cosine natin, cosine of an angle, equal siya sa adjacent over hypotenuse. So, equal sa 20 cosine 30 degree. So, meron na tayong EB, meron na rin tayong EC. Makukuha na natin yung value ni MD and CD. I-drawing muna natin yung triangle MCD. In triangle MCD, diba? Ito yung triangle MCD natin. MCD. Ito yung pinapahanap. Si MC. Si MD. Kunin natin si MD. MD is equal to, sabi natin kanina, equal siya sa AB. AB is 40 40 minus your EB, which is 20 sine 30 degree. So MD is equal to 40 minus 20 sine 30 degree. Equal siya sa 30 kilometers. So this is 30 kilometers. Yung CD mo naman, equal siya sa MA plus EC. Yung MA natin is 20. And yung EC natin is 20 cosine 30 degree. So your CD is equal to 20 plus 20 cosine 30 degree, 37.32 kilometer. So ito naman is 37.32 kilometer. So pwede na nating makuha yung value ng MC. Your MC squared is equal to MD squared plus CD squared. So you have MC is equal to 30, MC squared is equal to 30 squared plus 37.32 squared. Square natin both sides. So MC is equal to square root of 30 squared plus 37.32 squared. Equal siya sa MC is equal to 47.88 kilometer. So the answer is C. Mas malapit siya sa C, 47.9 kilometers.